Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now today's video is actually a sponsored video from Feelso, and it's their Showerhead combo. If that sounds interesting, you know what to do. Keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's jump right into this video. Now you guys, my package did come like this. Feelso reached out to me. They do sell on Amazon as well. I am going to put all of their information down in that description box, you guys, and I'm going to let you see all of the contents of the package. But I am sponsoring this Feelso Showerhead with the handheld spray combo. It is a 10-inch high pressure rain 16 setting shower head with a 11-inch, you heard me right, 11-inch adjustable extension arm and handheld water spray with the on and off switch as well. And it also has a built-in power spray. Now you guys, this is that handheld sprayer. I want to tell you guys, this shower head and sprayer did elevate the look of my bathroom. And I'm going to let you see the look of the actual shower head. You guys, this thing was truly amazing. I'm going to connect it together, show you all of the pieces. But once again, the rainfall, and the shower head is considered a rainfall shower head as well, you guys. But this rainfall shower head, as you see here, look how gorgeous it is. I'm telling you, it makes for an amazing shower, you guys. So relaxing and calming. I love it. But it is a 7 setting rainfall overhead shower head. It has a 10-inch large overhead shower head. Offers a broad water coverage for a comfortable shower experience. Once again, it does have 7 functions, catering to the different shower preference that you particularly need. Now, it has a powerful water flow. It cleanses the body, is relaxing. It does give you a spa-like experience. The water flow is a high intensity water flow, you guys, and you can adjust the angle of this head freely just to meet whatever need you have. Also, you see here I have that handheld shower head in my hand, and that actually has 9 modes of function, also with the pause button. I'm going to just put it together, you guys. But the handheld has a 4.8-inch face, and you guys, it does the same thing as the rain shower head. It has that built-in power wash mode as well, and it, like I say, it instantly blasts. It just gives you the feeling of a spa, going to a spa retreat, you guys. I loved it. And it says all metal has a 3-way diverter and extension arm, which all you see me here, guys. So I'm just going to connect all the pieces, and I'm going to let you see me install it as well. They do sell on Amazon. I will put that link down in the description box as well for you. And they do have them on sale right now, you guys, it looks like. But this is a 100% watertight hose and strong adhesive holder. The 60-inch stainless steel shower hose is superior and flexible. The inner core is made of solid brass, giving you a tough structure that's not actually easy to break. They did put it up on a lot of vigorous testing just to test the quality. The adhesive bracket is suitable for a variety of smooth walls, requiring no drills and screws, and it does not harm the wall or surface, and you can install it in any position that you desire. Now, this shower head is very reliable, and as you can see, I did have a handheld shower head in place before. So all I did, you guys, was just take it off, and I'm just putting on my pieces. And I'm going to let you see here, when I initially installed it, it went on perfectly. And I know it when I fasten it, it didn't lock as tight as I would like. But what you're going to see that here, and I do think I showed it in the clip, you guys, that once I did get it connected, and I did have to get in front of the camera, so to say, to get it on, but I did not show it. As you can see, I have on a change of clothes. When I turned that shower head on, it come on, but it threw water everywhere. So I had to go and get my pipe cutter, which why it took me another extra day, and I had to cut some of that pipe off, and I was going to change the whole thing. If you guys would like to see how to change that pipe for your shower head, it's very, very simple. But if you would like to see how to do that, drop me a comment and I'll show you how to change that over, because I did change it out after the fact. But you see, I just got that shower head installed. I'm going ahead and adding on the handheld shower head function as well. And it was just simple, easy peasy, super breezy, just to get this and get it installed. I just wanted to get my location. Now, we'll tell you now, the piece for this is self-adhesive. I made sure that I did wipe real well, since I did some cutting off of that pipe in here, to make sure that once I put that handheld holder piece in place, it will securely stick. And you're gonna see me just snap it into place here. Now, once again, you guys, make sure you do check out Feelso. They have some amazing, and I mean some amazing products. I am looking at some more things for my bathroom as well on their site right now as well. But I promise you, you will not be disappointed, especially with this rainfall shower head and this handheld sprayer. Do make sure y'all check that out. Feelso does specialize in shower filter heads and bathroom mats. Make sure you do check them out. Now, this is that shower head fully installed, and as you can see here, I do have it running with the water, as you can see that. And I'm telling you guys, you cannot beat the shower head. You can choose whatever function you like. I was trying to do it, but I was actually getting soaking wet trying to turn it and hold the camera. But you guys, make sure you do check them out. Thank you again, Feelso, for reaching out to me. And you guys, if you're not following the channel, make sure you do follow all our channels. That's GlamQueenofDIY, Her Home Is, Her Tablescapes, Molux Vlogs, and Her Shorts. You guys, we'll see you in another upcoming video. Have a blessed and wonderful day.